Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So the sell-off continues in Bitcoin. This is a daily chart. Our next level that we ran down to was this 826 area. We dipped below that, but that's the 200-day simple moving average on huge volume. Another thing you could have done is also, to give you some other lower levels, is drag that to the most recent swing high. From that one level, drop to the 4 hour and take a look. So once it plummeted through this 89.50 area, then you had to go out and use the daily chart to look for the next levels. Now we have a pausing bar, so we can move it down here. So that gives us next key levels. If we get below 86.50, be watching for a cluster about 84.22 to 84.75, 81.91. Now on a rally, this is getting a little overdone, but there's no divergence pattern yet. 89.81, so 9,000 is the first key level. You have the GAN level, and just above that, the rotation zone at about 9,000. Then above that, we'd start watching for about 9,300. Let's go back to the daily chart. So it's definitely bearish on the 4 hour because we are rotation zones against us, or against the bullish side. On the daily chart, first cross the rotation zone, so major resistance now on the daily. You have some resistance at 9,200 with the 50, and then major resistance at 9,500. So those are all the key levels, and there again is no reversal pattern on the daily. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum also dropping down very strongly. Let me remove these levels. They're out of play right now. Let me go down to 4 hour. 4 hour, you see we had some pauses at our key levels, but then it just kept drifting lower until it went below the 200 and the 224.22 level. At that point, you had to, that was a pausing bar, and you could drag this projection all the way down there and look for the next key levels. So on any rally, first area of resistance we'll be watching is about 234.50. Then if we get through there, you have this prior support shelf, and the top of the rotation zone, 245.70 area is the next key area. On a rotation back down, again, no divergence pattern yet, but on a rotation back down below 216.38, we have 207.35, 202.74, and 198.32. Those are the key levels. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So now we're clearly below the rotation zone, which we talked about yesterday, and we ran smack dab into that 50. So that 50 is just below this key low, so just watch that 216 to 215 area. If we get a move below that, start watching for the lower prices. If we get below all those next major areas, about 181. We don't have a cross of the rotation zone yet, so 245.69 is the first area on the daily of resistance, and that was also an area on the 4 hour, so that's the one we're really focused on any rally. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.